When you click the Category Settings icon, you'll see additional options. Let's go through them step by step. Placement settings allow other items to be placed on top. For large furniture, e.g. tables, shelves that can hold decor or other items. Allow placing on other items for smaller items, e.g. lamps, decor, storage that can be placed on top of larger pieces. Let's test it. Now we can stack pillows on top of each other. Rotation and tilt options. 1. Open the Model Editor, Category Settings, Rotate and Shift. 2. The Set Pivot window appears, allowing us to rotate the item. 3. At the bottom, there are Allow Tilt options. Off, no tilting. Vertical allows tilting forward and backward. Horizontal allows tilting sideways. Let's try them. Select Vertical Tilt and click Done. Click the item, More, 3 dots, Position and Rotation. Now we can tilt it vertically. Now let's switch to Horizontal Tilt. Open Category Settings and select Horizontal in Allow Tilt. Click More, Position and Rotation. Now, the tilt behavior has changed, allowing horizontal tilting. Flipping and mirroring. 1. Open Model Editor, Category Settings. 2. Enable Allow to change orientation, flipped mirrored. 3. Click Done. 4. Now click the Model Flip icon. The item is now mirrored horizontally. That's it! Now you know how to fine-tune placement, rotation, and flipping for your models. Happy adjusting!